Hey, and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you today with a tech unboxing, an Apple unboxing. We love Apple in this house. We are full of Apple products, everybody. So my daughter needed and wanted a new computer. So with all of what's going on, we decided we were going to get her one. I ordered it online, paid for it, and went to the mall to pick it up. And boy, was I surprised. There were a lot of people in the mall just kind of roaming around, just like it was good old 2019 again. But luckily, we didn't have to spend too much time there because her items had already been ordered and paid for. She also used a college discount if you have a student at home. And it's not a huge discount, but it actually ended up paying for her AirPods. So I'll take it. It's really gorgeous. I had to show you. This is the box. She got a MacBook Air. She got a gold MacBook Air 13-inch. It's really pretty. I might steal hers. I'll put some of the details in the description. And again, she used her student discount on this purchase. And then I also earned miles on this purchase buying through my United Mileage app. A mile per dollar spent. So I think we ended up getting over 1,000 miles for this, for all the other little bits that we got for it. I always get the Apple Care plan. Always get the Apple Care plan. You may need it and you don't want to need it and not have it. I believe it lasts a couple years and it's totally worth it, especially if somebody drops something or breaks something. But also for prevention of that, she got a clear case to go with it because, of course, being a gold computer, she wanted to be able to see the gold. Are her AirPods that she got with the student discount. Again, these are basically free. I absolutely love my AirPods. Highly recommend them. They're great for making phone calls and being on hold and whatnot, or just wanting to zone out to some music. AirPods are wonderful. Love the wireless feature, and also you can buy cool cases at places like LV. And she also got the Magic Mouse. Again, you can do it online. It's quicker, it's safer, and then you can go either have it sent to your house or you can go pick it up in store. If you have young students or if you have college students that are in the market for a new computer and want to know how this one works, we'll do a follow-up in a couple weeks and let you guys know how it is. So Apple all the way. I will see you guys in my next video. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe and hit notifications so that you'll know when I post a new video. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.